Your website is not just a digital space. It's your storefront and customer service hub. To succeed online, high-quality web development services are essential. These services include everything from design to optimization, making the right choice crucial for your growth. Web development services build, maintain, and optimize websites or applications. They offer various types, including full-stack, front-end, custom applications, CMS development, and more. Full-stack services integrate both client-facing and back-end solutions, while front-end services focus on user experience. A well-structured web development service may include tailored solutions such as e-commerce and CMS website development. Prices vary. A basic site can cost between $800 and $3,000, while custom applications can exceed $50,000. Choosing the right partner matters. Look for a solid portfolio that matches your style. Use modern technologies for scalability and seek agencies that provide ongoing maintenance. Communication is key, as you need a team that listens to your ideas. Hiring a professional agency offers distinct advantages, such as custom features and SEO-friendly designs. They ensure responsive layouts, which are essential as over 60% of web traffic comes from mobile users. Current trends in web development include AI integration and voice search optimization. As digital expectations rise, your website must stay ahead through scalable and future-ready designs. Investing in professional web development guarantees a secure and user-friendly site, crucial for converting visitors into customers. Now, it's time to elevate your digital presence. Ready to start your web development journey? Let's turn your vision into reality today.